Grace. I am Deepak. The golden feather. One day, the queen was taking a walk. It her garden.
सांगा, मदत करा बाकीच्यांनी. When
she found a beautiful golden feather. Then she made a little man. He said, if you give me that feather, I will give you three big diamonds. Sorry, said the queen. Then she made an old woman. The old woman said, if you give me that feather, I will give you a necklace of 21 pearls. Sorry, said the queen. Then she made the king. The king said, if you give me that feather, I will give you 99 gold
coins.
Sorry, said the queen. Then she made the
Little prince.
He said, oh mama, what a
Bright.
beautiful feather. Take
It.
my
Dear.
said the queen. It safe.
Very nice. Clap for him. बघा, त्यांनी एवढं छान वाचन करून दाखवलं म्हणून त्याला आज ही स्माइली बक्षीस. सगळ्यांनी त्याच्यासाठी जोरदार टाळ्या वाजवा.